Getting around is often a challenge for those who depend on wheelchairs. One woman in the German town of Hanau is on a mission to change that.
Hello, I'm Rita Ebel, and I build Lego ramps for wheelchair users to make my town more wheelchair-friendly.
Nicknamed Lego Grandma, Rita depends on donated Lego bricks to make Hanau more accessible to everyone. With word about the initiative spreading across Germany, many groups, including daycare centers, have organized Lego collection drives so Rita never runs out of bricks. Her efforts also help raise awareness among people without disabilities.
Nobody just walks past a Lego ramp without taking a look. Whether it's children who try to get the bricks out or adults who take out their mobile phones to take pictures. And that's exactly it. Simply to just try and raise people's awareness a bit. To make them think, if I were in a wheelchair or needed a walker, I would start having problems getting into certain places. Those are my personal reasons and motivation.
Local businesses have welcomed the initiative.
Everyone that comes past is happy about the ramps. You can see them from far away and can enter here without any problem. It's great. It makes everyone happy. Brilliant.
The wheelchair ramps are also proving popular beyond Germany. Rita has received inquiries from Spain and Switzerland and even the United States. Now she's helping others create their own ramp building groups to improve mobility for as many wheelchair users as possible.